Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency Soca meets Dancehall was #1 trending on social media Saturday night. The event was a memorable night for dancehall and soca lovers. Saturday's fete featured the Soca Blazers Arif Cooper as well as DJ Franco.
A blessing for me to entertain our people, supporters. It's always a good vibe. We're happy that they came and they enjoyed, and from they had a good time, I had a good time.
I really need you to fame. Wanna feel great now for Soca Franco play Lord.
Personalized from Franco to you ladies.
Alongside the dancehall trendsetters DJ Tropical and DJ Xavier, who delivered outstanding sets as they represented for the respective genres.
All of us are dancing right now. Here we go. Bounce with it, come on.
I not even have no voice. The dancer soca, it was shot bad. I'm not telling a lie. The whole way just bring it off the hook. Everything good.
That one is serious. As I say, super, Franco, tropical. Xavier. The Savior. You understand? Fame Frequency, we done it again. We did it.
Soca Meets Dancehall also saw RETV host Saini Phillips making her debut on the Fame Frequency stage.
It was absolutely amazing. It really superseded what I thought it was going to be. I had so much fun, I was dancing, I was enjoying myself, and I had fun watching everybody else out there, enjoying themselves as well, and of course everybody here that worked.
The event aired live on RETV, TVJ, online via onespotmedia.com, RETV's YouTube page, and across social media platforms. Now on the international scene, BET has announced the nominees for this year's Hip Hop Awards. Rising star DaBaby leads with an impressive 12 nods, and this includes nominations for Best Live Performer, Lyricist of the Year, Hip Hop Artist of the Year, and Impact Track. The rapper is also making awards history by having 2 albums, Blame It on the Baby and Kirka for Hip Hop Album of the Year. DaBaby is followed by Roddy Ricch, who nabbed 11 nominations, ahead of Drake and Megan Thee Stallion, who both secured 8 nods. Other notable mentions include Future, who received 6 nominations. Lil Baby got 4, Beyonce, DJ Khaled, Travis Scott copped 3 nominations each. Now that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.